What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Ads and Deals channel, where we show you just all the different ads and deals that are out there just to help you save a quick buck and, try to make your lives a little easier. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this. We're looking at Lowe's starting from June 30th to July 6th. So it's going to be a lot of 4th of July savings, as they say on the front. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start out with the flag here, the good old American flag. This is actually a bigger flag, so it's not your little mini flag. 5 foot by 3 foot. Looking at $9.98, so that's really good. If you're thinking about outdoor grilling, especially 4th of July, they have a couple of different charcoal grills and another gas grill here. These are going to be your basic ones, nothing too fancy, but you can get the charcoal grill 30-inch for $128, originally $169, or at least valued at $169. So this may not be a full-blown sale, just a special buy. Then they also have an actual sale here for the 4-burner gas grill, $299, originally $349. Some tiki torches. So let's keep it going here, see what else we can see. Of course, if you need some mulch, you can get this color enhanced mulch here, 3 for $10. So that's a pretty good deal, as they're originally $4 a piece. Then they have just different plant varieties. If you're going to do some outside gardening, maybe you bought the upright planter that I pointed out in one of my other videos, then you get your plants from Lowe's. So more gardening, making sure that you kill all the insects in there. So they have that too for $12. We're some turf builder, which I'm going to be in the market for in a few months, because I am getting a house built and they do not put sod in the backyard. So I'm going to be looking at this so I can get some turf builder and get that nice luscious grass. Miracle Grow 4 for $10. That's pretty good. Once again, it takes it down from $4.58 a piece. You can get some home defense. It's summertime, the bugs are out, so you got to protect your home from all the spiders and creepy crawlies. They have some Roundup, take care of the weeds. That's on sale for $19.98, was $26. And then they also have some more turf builder. You want to pay attention to what region you're in, so you make sure you get the right turf builder. Check this out. Patio clearance. That is very nice. Up to 40% off select patio and seasonal decor, or decor, whichever way you say it. So then we have some drills. Man, oh man, I love me a good drill. I might be in the market to buy a new one. And do I need a new drill? No, I have a perfectly good one, but I love tools. So I might have to get a drill. $99 is pretty good. 18 volt. I have a 20 volt wireless or a cordless one with a battery, but these are still pretty good. Bosch is always a good brand, so $99 instead of $159 or $149, depending on which model. More great LED lights that you can hang outside, put them around the patio so that you can, have that great mood lighting. Only $5 off of that. I wish it was a little bit more, but that's a pretty good deal. And then they're just highlighting some more lights. I think I want to do this in my home. Let me know down below in the comment section who has lights just shining all over their house, just lighting it up like Christmas all year long. I do love it whenever I see those houses. It makes me feel fancy. So I don't know. Let me know who has that on their house. Only $14.98 here, so I might purchase those. Scoop up maybe like 5 of them and just put them all around the front. That'll be pretty good. So you have different pressure washers and weed eaters, or weed whackers, as they call them now, string trimmers, but I still would say a weed whacker. Let's see here. So then we have some more. Now we're getting into the grilling. I need a smoker. This one looks pretty good. I haven't done too much research on smokers, so whoever uses a smoker down below, let me know. Is this a good smoker to get? What's the best kind of smoker that you want? I'm feeling like one where you can see inside through a glass is going to be the best. But as you see here, everybody can see all the different smokers and grills that they have on sale or that they just offer as well. So that's pretty great. And then this is pretty cool too, the fact that you can get a free assembly on select grills. So pay attention to that. If you don't want to put it together yourself, I love putting things together, so I'd probably do it myself. But if you don't want to, then they have free assembly. Just make sure you get the right grill for that. More outdoor living, umbrellas and canopies and chairs. So all the different things that you think you might want so that you can enjoy your outdoor space. $4.98 for LED solar powered lighting. So you buy yourself a few of these, line up your walkway. It just makes the house look so much better. All right, going down here, we have a pretty good chunk taken off of the patio set here. You get a little couch and 2 chairs and the table, I'm assuming. Yep, and that is $6.98, originally $8.28. Or you can go for the big gazebo. I love these things. I've never had one, but maybe when my house is built, I'll go ahead and, get myself one of those. Allen and Roth, that's Lowe's big brand there. So, that's a pretty good one, 10 foot by 12 foot. So let's keep it going. More patio furniture. You can take a look there. And remember, they do have the patio clearance. Then they have a steel picnic table. So this is kind of cool. You can go ahead and get a steel picnic table or just a folding card table type of setup here. Let's see what else they have. A wooden picnic table, some chairs, some off, keeping the bugs away. You're hanging out outside. You don't want the wasp to come up and bite you, so you got to spray them down. Or you can get some off so that you won't get bit by mosquitoes. Let me take that back. The wasp will sting you. The mosquitoes will bite you. All right, let's keep it going. $6.98 for some mulch nuggets. So once again, just outdoor, making sure your landscaping looks amazing while you're sitting in the back underneath your gazebo with your new lawn furniture. Just having a great time. That's what they want you to do here at Lowe's, all right? Make sure that there's no weeds creeping up into your outdoor living space. Let's keep going down here and see what else they have. Just some cleaning stuff for the outdoors. If you need a new trash can, these things always break after like 1 year. So let's see here. 4th of July savings. We have more plants outside, 2 for $24 for some hibiscus. I do love hibiscus. I love when they grow nice and big and plush. So I do love hibiscus. I have like kind of a green thumb, but I'm not a pro. I am not a pro in growing plants, but they do have planters and various plant varieties for you. If you're looking to expand your backyard enjoyment space, then they do have some pavers here. I used to work at Lowe's too at one point, and they have a great selection of pavers. So if you need more pavers, or if you're trying to build a plant bed or a plant wall, then that's going to be some different options that you have. All right, so let's just keep this thing going. More, taking care of your yard, trimming the trees and cutting back bushes. Here's the page you want to be on, $2.79 for another. This one's going to be a gas string trimmer. I think I'm more in love with the battery operated ones because gas is expensive. But, with the battery, you can at least plug it in and keep it going. So then they have a cordless push mower here. I do love the cordless push mowers, once again, getting away from gas. So that's going to be great, especially when it's self-propelled. So this one's speaking my language right now, all right? Self-propelled, it's speaking my language. $5.99, originally $6.99. This thing better be a powerhouse. It better knock out the whole yard in, a few minutes, all right? because $5.99 is a little bit up there, but it might be a powerhouse. I'm gonna need to look up this brand. Tell me if anybody uses this brand here or knows about it. It's looks like Go Art Lithium 56 volt. So keep it moving here. More outdoor maintenance, you know, making sure that your shrubs and greenery looks great. Then now we get into some of those beautiful different faucets, and you know, make sure you have that elongated toilet that's tall, you know, making sure that you have your lights for the vanity. So that's this page. That's all. Everything you see here is just for the remodeling of the inside now. I do like this light, especially the pewter finish. I think it looks pretty nice and amazing. Kind of gives you like a rustic feel with the Edison bulbs. So that's pretty good. You know, if you need a new garbage disposal, here you go. We also have some brushed nickel kitchen faucet, originally $129, now $99, which is that's pretty good. I do like these goosenecks, so that's not bad at all. If you want new flooring, here's the pricing on the different floors that you can possibly get, whether it be with your wood or if you ceramic. So they have a lot here. I kind of like the look of this right here. This is that Argento. This looks pretty cool. Looks pretty cool. Little tiles there. Looks like a hexagon type of pattern. Then of course they do have their mattresses as well. I've actually bought one of their rolled up Serta mattresses that they sell at Home Depot. I mean, at Lowe's, and it's pretty nice. We bought the king size actually. So I think that was actually we bought it for the $8.99 price. So the fact that they have it for $5.99 right now, that's pretty nice. Go get yourself these things because it is very comfortable. I mean, very comfortable. All right, so you can also get a organize your space. Tell me how many people have like that professional organized closet look going on. I think that my wife is gonna want to do that when our house is built. She doesn't want the wire rack. She wants, like, you know, cabinets and the lighting and the glass drawers and the fancy handles all in her side of the closet. My closet might just be you know, just the regular plain stuff, but her stuff is gonna look like IKEA. So they do have Lowe's does have theirs though for starting at $119, so you can get a little kit. If I did it to mine, it would probably be the kit from Lowe's. Unless she wants it to look exactly like hers, then, you know, hey, I'm gonna let her take the reins. Honeydew, the honeydew list. All right, so keep it going here. Some storage, $13.98 for the black and yellow 27 gallon. I do love these. I have a couple of those. They're very sturdy and strong. You can get some steel shelving units, $59.98. Then we're getting into different ladders. You know, ladders are ladders. What can you say? I do love the Little Giant and the way that you can fold these down and up and expand them. So Little Giants are good. But this Werner ladder here, which is on sale right now for $149, it actually does look pretty good. And it might do a good job as well with changing its shape. We have some more ladders and some more. And then we also have some plywood panels if you need some plywood. Then we have some concrete, quickcrete. You can get your garage door opener if you need to replace a door, maybe a storm door in the front or the back. $234 on sale right now. If you want to go with something a little lesser model than a screen door only, then they do have. Oh, it's actually a retractable though. So this is that one. Let me know who has this one. I've seen them, but I've never seen one like actually implemented out in the wild. But you expand the metal bars. So these metal bars here, you expand them, and then the screen itself is like rolled up, so you can slide it out. These things are actually pretty cool, and they'll also, you know, make it to where you don't have to do drilling and stuff like that as well. So, I mean, it is up there, $178. On sale, which is really good, but these things are amazing. So Let me know who has this and what they think about it. Is that like a good buy or not? Okay, so keep it going down here. They have different fence panels here as well. No dig fence panel. I might look into that. That's pretty good. I don't like this little short baby gate here, but that's pretty cool. Let's see some different things as well. So then we have some Maytag washer dryer combos. You can take a look at the pricing on there. I'm all about a when it doesn't have the, oh man, I can't, the name isn't coming to me, but when the washer doesn't have the little stem in the middle, I love those. So I don't like it when they have the stems in the middle. What's the real term for that? Somebody please let me know down below. Then they just have just different marketing for their leveler blinds, and of course some awesome fans. I love the look of this one as well. This Harbor Breeze. I've had another Harbor Breeze and they do really well. I had a 3-blade, 52-inch 3-blade. Oh man, it's like you're in a hurricane when you turn that sucker up to max. So let's see what else we have here. Just paint, if you're in need for some type of paint. And that is it. That's everything. Let me know down below what did you guys like? What was something that stuck out to you? Somebody please tell me if you have this retractable screen door here. But great stuff at Lowe's from as always. Lowe's, I love Lowe's. I do like Home Depot too, but you know, Lowe's is first love type of stuff. So let me know down below. Some of my favorite things were definitely this kitchen sink here, the goosenecks. I love them. I love the this pewter vanity light, and the lawnmower here. Man, oh man, this thing better rip through the lawn, because I got a huge lawn when they get done building, so I'm gonna need something like that. But that about wraps it up. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and I appreciate you guys for watching the channel and watching my videos. Go get those deals. Go get the deals. I'll give you the ads. You got to go get the deals. So you guys have a good day, and I appreciate it. Peace.